I used to work for 2 security companies that are out of state, and the companies would have me work at like a brand new motel that was just going up, and then an industrial plant. And I was diagnosed by a doctor about 6 years ago with pleurisy, and I want to find out if that would have to do with some type of asbestos exposure.
Okay.
Well, think along the lines of a condition that may be caused by asbestos. There is a condition called pleural disease, not pleurisy. I'm not aware of any particular association with pleurisy. But, you know, again, speaking to your doctor, explaining to him your work history from many years ago, that would be the key first. Okay, once that doctor kind of lays out a game plan and says this person may have been exposed to asbestos, and then that's how you draw a conclusion.
Right.
As to
The caller just a moment ago that I think we lost was talking about possibly some recent exposure, maybe removing some old pipings and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Are we still in an age where you do see recent exposure?
Yes, there is an issue with respect to being able to bring a lawsuit onto those type scenarios.
Explain that for us.
Well, first of all, you got to think of the latency period. A person recently being exposed to asbestos, he probably won't exhibit a condition that would be identifiable as an asbestos-related disease because it takes so long. Okay, the average latency period is somewhere around 20 years for a person to develop an asbestos-related disease. However, we have seen situations where people would have been exposed maybe, you know, 1 year or less in places such as a shipyard, and that person many years would suffer from mesothelioma. That would be a fairly problematic situation. We will at least look at those cases, but I don't know if you can actually bring one along those lines.
Let's see if we can squeeze in.